Escape sequences in strings. Quotes are not the only characters that can be escaped inside a string. Escape sequences allow you to use characters you may not otherwise be able to use in a string. Code output, single quote, double quote, backslash, n new line, ttab, r carriage return, b backspace, f form feed. Note that the backslash itself must be escaped in order to display as a backslash. Assign the following 3 lines of text into the single variable mystr using escape sequences. First line, second line, third line. You will need to use escape sequences to insert special characters correctly. You will also need to follow the spacing as it looks above, with no spaces between escape sequences or words. Note: the indentation for second line is achieved with the tab escape character, not spaces. Tests. Waiting. mystr should not contain any spaces. Waiting. mystr should contain the string's first line, second line and third line, remember case sensitivity. Waiting. First line should be followed by the new line character, n. Waiting. mystr should contain a tab character, t, which follows a new line character. Waiting. Second line should be preceded by the backslash character. Waiting. There should be a new line character between second line and third line. Waiting. mystr should only contain characters shown in the instructions. Concatenating strings with plus operator. In JavaScript, when the plus operator is used with a string value, it is called the concatenation operator. You can build a new string out of other strings by concatenating them together. Example: my name is Alan, plus, I concatenate. Note: watch out for spaces. Concatenation does not add spaces between concatenated strings, so you'll need to add them yourself. Example: const rstr equals, I come first, plus, I come second. The string I come first, I come second, would be displayed in the console. Build mystr from the strings. This is the start, and this is the end. Using the plus operator. Be sure to include a space between the two strings. Tests. Waiting. mystr should have a single space character between the two strings. Waiting. mystr should have a value of the string. This is the start. This is the end. Waiting. You should use the plus operator to build mystr. Waiting. mystr should be created using the const keyword. Waiting. You should assign the result to the mystr variable. Concatenating strings with the plus equals operator. We can also use the plus equals operator to concatenate a string onto the end of an existing string variable. This can be very helpful to break a long string over several lines. Note: watch out for spaces. Concatenation does not add spaces between concatenated strings, so you'll need to add them yourself. Example: let our str equals I come first. Our str plus equals I come second. Our str now has a value of the string I come first. I come second. Build my str over several lines by concatenating these two strings. This is the first sentence. And this is the second sentence. Using the plus equals operator. Use the plus equals operator similar to how it is shown in the example, and be sure to include a space between the two strings. Start by assigning the first string to my str, then add on the second string. Tests. Waiting. My str should have a single space character between the two strings. Waiting. My str should have a value of the string. Waiting. My Constructing strings with variables. Sometimes you will need to build a string. By using the concatenation operator, plus, you can insert one or more variables into a string you're building. Example: constar name equals FreeCodeCamp, constar str equals hello, our name is, plus our name plus, how are you? Our str would have a value of the string hello, our name is FreeCodeCamp, how are you? Set my name to a string equal to your name and build my str with my name between the strings my name is in and I am well. Tests. Waiting. My name should be set to a string at least 3 characters long. Waiting. You should use 2+ operators to build my str with my name inside it.